Your Airbnb bookings have dried up while other hosts are fully booked. In this video, I'm going to show you the 7 most common reasons your Airbnb isn't getting booked and exactly how to fix each one today. 2 of the strategies that I'm about to share will virtually guarantee you bookings within 48 hours. And I actually have a bonus fix I'll share at the end that's my #1 most effective strategy for increasing bookings. So stay tuned for that as well. In fact, I'm so confident in these fixes that if you try all 7 fixes and still don't get bookings right away, comment below and I'll personally review your listing for free. Hi, I'm James Fedek, co-author of Airbnb for Dummies and one of the world's leading short-term rental educators. Over my 8 years of hosting through every market cycle, I've personally managed dozens of listings while earning a full-time income myself and traveling the world full-time. I've been featured in some of the world's biggest publications and helped thousands of hosts to level up their hosting. Through B&B Mastery, I've helped over 800 hosts to optimize their business, plus helped over 700 people launch successful co-hosting careers. I'm here to help you with your short-term rental. Let's dive right in with fix #1, your pricing. Pricing is the #1 reason most hosts struggle with bookings. If your price is too high compared to similar listings in your area, guests simply won't book with you. It doesn't matter how amazing your property is if your pricing is off the mark. Last month, one host I work with was charging just $30 more compared to similar listings in her area, and they were wondering why they had 0 bookings. After adjusting their price by just $30, they booked up within 24 hours. Now, here's what you need to do right now. Search for similar listings in your area with the same number of bedrooms and comparable amenities. Look at their nightly rates and make sure that yours is still competitive. If you're new without any reviews, price your listing 10 to 15% lower than established listings to attract your first few guests. Once you build up reviews, you can gradually increase your rates from there. And here's a quick win. Consider lowering your rates for just the next 2 weeks. This creates urgency and often leads to immediate bookings that can jumpstart your performance in Airbnb's algorithm. For reason #2, it's your photos. They're killing your Airbnb bookings. Did you know that most guests only look at the first 5 photos before deciding whether to book or move on? If your first 5 photos don't showcase the best features of your property, then you're losing bookings right off the bat. I worked with a host last year whose listing had been sitting empty for weeks. The first photo was their living room, the second was the exterior of the building, and the third was a dark shot of the kitchen. We simply reordered their photos to show the gorgeous backyard first, followed by the stunning view, then the master bedroom. Within 2 days, they received 3 new bookings. So here's what you've got to do. Go to your listing right now and reorganize your photos. Make sure your absolute best features are in the first 5 slots. Your main photo should be the most impressive room or feature of your property. And don't be afraid to delete any photos that don't showcase your property in its best light. It's better to have 15 amazing photos than 30 mediocre ones. Now, reason #3 why your Airbnb is empty: your title is invisible to guests. Most hosts use boring, generic titles that get lost in search results. Your title needs to grab attention and highlight what makes your place special. One host in B&B Tribe changed just 3 words in their title and saw bookings increase by 30%. They went from comfortable 2-bedroom apartment downtown to stunning 2-bedroom with panoramic downtown views. Here's the formula for a perfect Airbnb title. Start with an attention-grabbing adjective like stunning or luxurious. Make sure it's accurate. Include your most desirable feature like mountain views or private hot tub. Add your property type and location. And if you have space, mention a second unique feature. Go update your title right now using this formula and you'll see an immediate boost in clicks. Reason #4, your stay requirements are too restrictive. If you're requiring minimum stays that are too long, you're cutting out a huge segment of potential guests. I recently helped a host who was requiring a 7-night minimum stay year-round. When we adjusted this to a 4-night minimum during weekends and a 2-night minimum for weekdays, their bookings increased by over 70%. Here's the strategy. For high season, a 3-night minimum is usually ideal. For low season, drop it down to 2 nights to catch more bookings. And here's a pro tip. For last minute availability within 1 to 2 weeks, lower your minimum to just 2 nights. These smaller bookings are much better than an empty listing, and they help boost your visibility in the algorithm. Update these settings today and watch your calendar start filling up. Moving on to reason #5, your listing description is outdated. An outdated description is a silent booking killer. Most hosts write their description once and then never touch it again. But seasonal updates can dramatically increase your conversion rate. Last year, I updated my winter descriptions to highlight fireplaces and nearby ski trails, and I saw bookings jump by $5,000 compared to the previous winter. Here's what you need to do today. Update your first paragraph to highlight current seasonal activities or amenities. Mention nearby festivals, seasonal attractions, or how your space is perfect for the current weather. Then try this A/B testing strategy. Create 2 different versions of your listing description and alternate between them every 2 weeks. Track which one gets more bookings, then keep refining that one based on what works. Focus especially on the first 3 sentences. That's what guests see before they have to click the read more button. If you want to get even more serious about tracking your results, set up a tool like IntelliHost to help measure what works and what doesn't. Reason number 6, your reviews need attention. Reviews are the social proof that convince guests that your place is actually worth booking. If you have very few reviews, negative reviews, or you aren't actively managing your review strategy, then you're probably losing bookings. One host I work with had a single 3-star review that was tanking their bookings. We addressed the issue mentioned in the review, responded professionally to it, and then strategically ensured that our next 10 reviews were glowing. Their booking rate tripled within a month. Here's what to do. First, respond to every single review, especially the negative ones. Thank positive reviewers and address concerns mentioned in the negative ones. Next, make it incredibly easy for guests to leave reviews by sending a friendly reminder the day after they check out. Include specific prompts like, "We'd love to hear what you thought about the new mattress we just installed." And if you have very few reviews, then consider lowering your price temporarily just to get more bookings and build up that review count. 5 great reviews at a lower profit margin will lead to much more earnings in the long run. Reason number 7, your search ranking is invisible. If you're not appearing in the first page of search results, most guests will never even see your listing. Here are 3 fast moves to boost your visibility today. First, turn on Instant Book if you don't already have it on. Airbnb's algorithm heavily favors listing with Instant Book enabled. If you're worried about bad guests, you can still set requirements like verified ID and past positive reviews. Second, update your calendar regularly. Airbnb rewards hosts who keep their calendars current. Block off a few random dates in the future, then unblock them the next day, and it should see a bit of a boost. This signals to Airbnb that you're actively managing your listing. Third, respond to all inquiries within 1 hour. Airbnb's algorithm strongly favors quick response times, and this is one of the easiest ways to boost your ranking. One host implemented just these 3 changes alone and moved from page 5 of search results to page 1 in less than a week. Now, before I share my bonus tip, there's something else that I really want to tell you about. All these fixes I've shared are proven to work, but if you want even more detailed strategies, plus all the templates and tools to implement those strategies quickly, then you've got to check out B&B Tribe. Inside B&B Tribe, you'll get access to our step-by-step guides for optimizing every aspect of your listing. You'll get your own proven template library with listing descriptions, messaging sequences, and pricing strategies. Plus, you'll join an amazing community of hosts who share what's working right now and will help you to succeed. It's just $49 a month, and you can join using the link in the description down below. Okay, now let me share the number 1 secret technique that combines multiple fixes for maximum impact. This is my absolute favorite strategy for hosts who need bookings fast. I call it the 72-hour reset, and it works like magic for listings that have been sitting empty. Here's how it works. First, make all the changes that we discussed in this video. Update your title, your descriptions, your photos, and your minimum stays. Then, lower your prices by 20%, but do it using Airbnb promotions. Just go into your calendar, add a promotion, and make sure it's 20% or more. What this does is temporarily boost you up super high in Airbnb's search algorithm. We've seen hosts go from 0 bookings to 3 bookings in the first day after implementing this reset. Once you get those first few bookings, go ahead and remove or decrease the promotion so you're not getting those lower value bookings anymore. The goal isn't to just give away all your revenue forever. We just want to get some initial booking velocity to boost you up in the search results. A host in our B&B Tribe named Jennifer was about to give up on her listing after 2 months with only 1 booking. She tried the 72-hour reset, and within 5 days, she had 7 new reservations. It completely transformed her whole property. If you're really struggling with bookings, this is the option that's guaranteed to work. So there you have it, the 7 reasons your Airbnb is empty and exactly what to do to fix each one. If you implement even just 2 or 3 of these strategies today, I can almost guarantee that you'll start seeing results. And remember, if you try all 7 of these fixes and you still don't get any bookings, comment below and I'll personally review your listing to help you troubleshoot. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more Airbnb hosting tips. And let me know in the comments which of these fixes you're gonna try first. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.